The Flathead County Sheriff's Office has issued an Amber Alert for 3 children taken in an uncustodial family abduction. Mark Arnold, 3-year-old white male, 4 foot 1 inch, 68 pounds, blonde hair and blue eyes. His brother Aaron Arnold, 5-year-old white male, 4 foot 3 inches, 70 pounds, blonde hair and blue eyes. Sister Rebecca Rowe, 11-year-old white female, 5 foot 4 inches, 120 pounds, brown hair and brown eyes. Children have been taken from the Kokanee Bend fishing access in Columbia Falls by their uncle Dwayne Arnold in a stolen 2002 gray Chevrolet Silverado pickup with Montana plate 723631C. Dwayne is on felony probation at this time and has no known address. Any information, please call Flathead County Sheriff at 406-758-5610 or call 911. Thank you for your assistance. Here are the